Hello, hola, bonjour, habari. Welcome to Multilingual Kids, where languages come alive. Join us on an adventure around the world, exploring new words, cultures, and friends. Get ready to learn, play, and have fun in multiple languages. Say hello to Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Egypt, and Ethiopia. Let's have some fun.
Nigeria is here. Say hello with me in Hausa.
Sannu.
South Africa is here. Say hello with me in Zulu.
Sawubona.
Kenya is here. Say hello with me in Swahili.
Habari.
Egypt is here. Say hello with me in Arabic.
مرحبا.
Ethiopia is here. Say hello with me in Amharic.
Salam.
One more time. Let's go again.
Nigeria is here. Say hello with me in Hausa.
Sannu.
South Africa is here. Say hello with me in Zulu.
Sawubona.
Kenya is here. Say hello with me in Swahili.
Habari.
Egypt is here. Say hello with me in Arabic.
مرحبا.
Ethiopia is here. Say hello with me in Amharic.
Salam.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.